Cryptohopper Review. When it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, there are a lot of different strategies that you can use. Cryptohopper is a trading bot that allows you to automate your trading strategy. Cryptohopper features. Cryptohopper's ability to backtest trading strategies. This allows you to see how a trading strategy would have performed in the past. User-friendly interface. Cryptohopper has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to configure the bot and track your trading activity. Cryptohopper's ability to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Cryptohopper Marketplace allows you to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, 75 in total, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and Monero. Range of tools. Users can expect to explore a wide range of trading tools and features like customizable technical indicators, trailing stops, configurable and savable templates, and a bot backtesting tool. Exchange integration. Cryptohopper is a sleek and simple-to-use interface that allows you to trade on 9 different exchanges with one straightforward sign-up. These include Poloniex, KuCoin, Kraken, Huobi, Cryptopia, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, Bitfinex, and Binance. External signals. Cryptohopper also allows you to subscribe to professional external signals. This means that you can benefit from the cryptocurrency trading experience and knowledge of experienced traders. Free trial. Cryptohopper offers a free trial for new users, so you can explore all the features of the bot before making a decision about whether or not to subscribe. Loving community. Cryptohopper has a thriving and supportive community of traders who are always happy to help. Cryptohopper offers 3 pricing plans to suit everyone's needs, with the option of a free trial for 7 days. You can simply sign up and start using their service without providing any payment details. When your trial period is over, we'll automatically disable access so that you have time to decide if it suits what you need. But don't worry, because once purchased, there are no additional fees or commitments involved in keeping an account active as long as desired. And who doesn't love saving money? Conclusion. Is Cryptohopper worth your time and money? Cryptohopper is a reliable and user-friendly bot that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies with ease. The bot offers a wide range of features and tools that allow you to customize it according to your trading strategies. Cryptohopper also allows you to subscribe to professional external signals so that you can benefit from the trading experience and knowledge of experienced traders. The bot also has a free trial, so new users can explore all its features before deciding whether or not to subscribe.